Hello and welcome to HELiOS short clip. In this video I will be showing you the expanded HELiOS options for updating assemblies. For this I will show you my assembly which I will be using for this video. Here we have the suspension fork complete assigned to index A, which is in progress. In my assembly I installed a dial elastomer which is also assigned to index A. In this assembly, these spacers are assigned to index B. If we now have a look at the version management, we see that index A is released and index B is still in progress. With this information in mind, we switch to Inventor and have a look at these options. Here we can update models to newer indices with 3 different options, being never, always, or always but not in released context. Now, in case if updates are requested, we are able to specify the behavior in terms of updating. We can either decide to update on the newest index or update to the newest released index. In this case, we will take over these settings and load the released assembly in Inventor. First, we won't see any updates, neither the assembly dial elastomer nor the spacers, which are mounted in the assembly. If we would like to apply the server state, which is also possible subsequently, by the way, we will be notified that everything has been updated based on the settings we made, since we said that we do not want to update to the newest released index. Okay, now we will change these settings and change the behavior so that updates are made to the newest released index, and after this we will load the assembly dial elastomer, which is mounted in the assembly suspension fork. After all, these are loaded in index A. Based on these settings we will be notified that we can substitute the spacer, which we will do now. And we see in the part structure that this is about index A being substituted. You may remember this. We opened these settings and said that we want to update the newest released index, and basically everything on index A has been updated. Now I'd like to cancel this, so this modification will not be saved. We simply modify the options again to the newest index and load the assembly again. And also here we have the option to untick the things we do not want to consider when updating. By looking at the drawing, we can obtain that we are in index B, which I also see in the part structure based on the settings we previously made. Okay, and now we will check this in and load the newest index of this assembly, namely the suspension fork complete. And here we are also notified that updates are possible in the assembly, which was updated before. Depending on the settings made, also a dialog would appear offering single parts to be updated. So, what are these settings for? These comply with different working methods, such as for designers who are working with the newest indices, whereas the production works with the newest released indices. For these cases, we have created a convenient tool offering to specify these options. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.